Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can reset your password on Groupon app. It's pretty simple. After you open the Groupon app, it's going to take you to the login page. Over here you can see the option called Forgot Password, which is in blue color. Click on Forgot Password, and over here enter your email. Now whichever email address you used when you created your Groupon account, enter that. After you enter that, what you want to do is click on send. Once you click on send, it's going to send you a reset password link on your email. Once you see this, click on OK and open up your email on your phone. Once you open up your email, you're going to get an email just like this from Groupon. Once you get it, click on set password and you can choose whichever browser you want. Just choose any one and it'll take you to your password resetting page. Now once you're in Groupon's password resetting page, you can enter your new password over here and enter your new password again to confirm it and click on set password. Once you click on set password, your password will be changed and your new password will be set in Groupon, and you can now enter your new password and log in into your Groupon account. That's how you reset your password on Groupon app. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.